Good morning, my name is Manigan. Now I'm going to say about minimum speeds in level flight. This is related to the course of flight mechanics. So first of all, let us know what is level flight. Level flight means flying at a constant altitude, not going up and down. So it simply says that it's at a level. So it's a level with respect to the sea level, that is at a constant altitude. So when an aircraft is desired at a speed, at an airspeed, trimmed to relieve in a controlled pressure required to maintain it as a level and straight flight. So simply saying that a flight which is moving at a height, I mean at a constant altitude, and it is controlling itself and maintaining its straight and level flight, that is known as a level flight journey at a desired airspeed. This picture here, aircraft named as level, it is not at level flight, it's in the cruise, but it controlling to be at level at a constant height. So this is a picture of an aircraft at a level flight. Its company is level, but it's not level flight. It depends upon its situation. So level flight cannot be occurred at takeoff and landing. So it only occurs at the cruise level. So first of all, let us derive what is level flight and let us justify the level flight. So before saying that, there are forces acting on the aircraft, such as lift, weight, drag, and thrust. The thrust is due to the engines, and lift is due to the engine and the collaboration of the airfoils. The lift is generated, and normally the aircraft weight and the drag. So there are four. They are acting in four directions. That is thrust in forward direction, drag in opposite to the thrust, lift is opposite to the weight, and weight is always towards the ground. So upon equating this all, since they are at a level, I mean, let us think that they are moving in an acceleration of a in a direction of this one in this direction ax and in this direction is az. So then we'll be finding the force acting upon this. The force acting is T minus D is equal to m times ax, L minus W is equal to m times az. So this is az is a vertical acceleration and ax is a horizontal acceleration. So since we said that its flight is steady, that is, it doesn't have acceleration in the flight path. So it implies that ax is equal to 0. Since there is no acceleration, it is at a constant steady flow, steady path. So there will be no acceleration since there is no rate of change of velocity. So that is ax is equal to 0. Further, the flight is straight at a constant altitude, hence az is equal to 0. Since it is a constant altitude and it doesn't move, and the velocity is 0 and it doesn't even move, so that's why the acceleration is 0. So finally, we can say that t minus d is equal to 0 and L minus W is equal to 0. So upon saying that t is equal to d and L is equal to W, this is the definition of level flight. So the level flight condition is applied. I mean, it is successfully said it as a level flight. Then the thrust will be equal to drag, and the lift will be equal to the weight of the aircraft. So upon further solving, we'll get this one. So we'll be applying the formula of the lift, that is L is equal to half rho v square S CL, where CL is a coefficient of lift. That is equal, then upon equating L is equal to W with half rho v square SCL, we will be getting that W, and the V is equal to root over 2W by rho SCL. So this is the velocity required for a flight journey to be at a level flight. This is the level flight velocity. V is equal to root over 2W by rho SCL. So upon further calculating and upon doing other equation, that is T is equal to 2 D, and where D is a drag, that is drag equation is equal to half rho V square as CD. Upon then we'll be getting thrust is equal to W times CD by CL, and this is the one we will be getting here. The minimum speed in level flight, just now we got it in this previous direction on equating L is equal to W. So we got that D is equal to root over 2W by rho naught SCL. where VE is a flight velocity. That's a flight velocity at level flight, or minimum speed at level flight. That is known as VE. And that is W by S is known as wing loading, or the weight of the aircraft by the surface area, the wing area. And rho naught is density, and CL is coefficient of lift, and S is wing area, as you know. So this is the minimum speed required at level flight, the straight level flight. So VE is equal to root over 2W by rho naught SCL. Thank you so much.